Baking soda for bad breath. Bad breath, medicinally called as halitosis, can be caused by bacteria in mouth, digestive system issues, dry mouth, smoking, improper brushing or flossing habits, and certain foods like onions or garlic. Many of us rely on commercial mouthwash, but did you have a look at its label before using it? Shockingly, it contains a list of chemicals, added flavors and colors. These chemicals can remove bad breath for a little time but damage a lot in the long term. The first thing to fight bad breath is to brush and floss properly and 2 times a day. Apart from we have many natural methods like baking soda to deal with it. Baking soda for bad breath, is it really effective? Baking soda neutralizes the acid levels in the mouth. This helps in killing the bacteria thriving in acidic environment of the mouth. How to use baking soda for bad breath. 1. Baking soda, to the toothpaste, add a pinch of baking soda. Brush with this mixture 2 times a day. 2. Baking soda with salt. Process 1. To a glass of tepid water, add 1 teaspoon each of salt and baking soda. Stir well and rinse your mouth with this mixture. Repeat 2 times a day. Alternatively, you can avoid salt. Process 2. Mix equal quantities of Himalayan pink salt and baking soda. Using this mixture, gently brush your teeth for a minute. Swish with water for a minute. Repeat 3 times a week. 3. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar. Process 1. Combine 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Add this mixture to a glass of water. Swish using this mixture for a minute. Spit and repeat again. Spit and rinse with water. Repeat daily. Process 2. To a glass of warm water, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well and consume this mixture. Repeat daily. 4. Baking soda and honey. To a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and honey. Stir well and consume it. Repeat once in a day. 5. Mouthwash using baking soda. Into a bottle, add 1/2 tablespoon cinnamon powder, juice of 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Add 1 cup of warm water, close the lid and shake well. Whenever you need a fresh breath, take 2 tablespoons of the solution and swish for a minute. Repeat as required. 6. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. Combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Use this mixture and swish for a minute. Rinse off with water. Repeat daily. 7. Baking soda with lemon. Combine 2 teaspoons of baking soda and juice of half lemon. Stir well and add this mixture to a cup of water. Swish your mouth using this mixture. Spit out and rinse with water. Repeat daily until you find relief from bad breath. 8. Baking soda with coconut oil. Combine 3 tablespoons baking soda and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, liquid state. Mix well and use this mixture to brush your teeth. After a minute, rinse off with water. Repeat daily or whenever required. 9. Baking soda with peppermint oil. Combine 5 grams of baking soda, 3 drops of peppermint essential oil and 235 milliliters of water. Stir well and use a small amount of the mixture to rinse your mouth. After a minute, rinse off with water. Store the remaining liquid in airtight container. Repeat daily. Tips and precautions. Using excessive amounts of baking soda can be harmful. Brushing harshly with baking soda can erode tooth enamel, so be gentle. Don't use baking powder instead of baking soda. Drink plenty of water. Include fresh fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. Brush and floss 2 times a day. If the reason behind bad breath is gut issues, please consult a doctor to cure the problem first. If you don't know the reason behind the problem, consult a doctor to know about it. Swish with water after every meal. This helps to remove food particles stuck in teeth. Avoid smoking and drinking.